Hey everyone, in this video we will be looking into the new addition in our one-click trader. Already we have Zerodha and ICICI Direct. Along with that, you can see we have added the Finvision broker. Actually, they charge zero brokerage for all your trades. So to install it, click on the one-click trader in bottom of this Smart Index Tool dashboard. After that, go to your Chrome extension and remove your existing extension and make sure you added the new version, that is 0.4. Once you have added, you will be able to trade normally with the Finvision. Now click on the Finvision to open the window like this. After that, it will ask you to log in. It is Shunya by Finvision, and Finvision allows only one login per tab. So if you are opening new tab and logging in, it will log out another session. So you have to log in directly from this window. After logging in, you will be opened with the watch list page like this. Just reload the page. You can press Ctrl plus R or right click and reload. Once you reload, our one-click trader will be set up like this. If you have logged in correctly, there will be 0, that is open position of Finvision on the right side, and this is the open position of our extension. After this setup, everything else is same. Just like how you trade in paper trading mode or Zerodha mode, you can also trade in Zerodha. And you can modify the quantity, stop loss, target, etc. And don't forget to click on this load button, else you will get the error. And once you loaded the call option and put option, you are ready to do the trading in Finvision. So we'll take some samples trade here. We have some kind of support in the Nifty spot, so let me buy the call option. Still there is no confirmation in the scalper tool, still it is red color, but still I'm taking the trade because in this trade I just want to show the demo of how Finvision is working. So here we can see this position is turning into 1, so that is because our open position is present in the Finvision. If you are taking 2 trades with the same strike price, still you will get the open position as the 1. And if you want to close all the position, you can click on this X button. So all this tutorial I would have explained in the old one-click trader video. And one more thing is, after you take a trade and if you have kept the stop loss of 3 points or 4 points, do not modify the trade until the stop loss is getting hit. Right now we analyzed the market with some logic that there is some support in this Nifty spot. So from there, either it should bounce and give you a profit, or if that support is breaking, your stop loss should be hitting. So once first to do the analysis, after that you can take a trade. We have the stop loss in the place, and here you can see the price is bouncing. So yeah, this is how you take a trade. Now I will take couple of trades and show how it is working in the Finvision. And if you logged out of Finvision in one-click trader, you will get that XX, and your trades will not get placed. That is because I logged into another browser to show all the transaction. You can check here, I bought and sold at 62.8. Another trade I exited at 29.2. The trade I exited at 58.8. So you can just pause this video and check all this transaction. It will be exactly same as shown in the one-click trader. Okay, that's it for this video. This video is not any strategy video. I just want to show how the Finvision is integrated with the one-click trader, and how the entry price and exit price is exactly same in both the one-click trader and the Finvision order book. And as far as I tested, order execution is also very faster like Zerodha. Also, in addition, they don't have any brokerage for the trades, so you can take multiple trades with smaller positioning size. Since you are scalping, it is very good thing. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. In upcoming videos, I will be creating several live trades using the Finvision or other brokers, and I will be explaining how to take proper trades via scalper tool, smart index tool, etc. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel for all the updates. Thank you.